Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to a Punched Out Thursday with Kathy, Krista, myself, Dorothy, Rebecca, and Sonia. And today's layout is, well, the photos are not very good at all. The lighting wasn't good, and the camera I had really wasn't that good either. It was only like is it megapixels or pixels? Maybe it's pixels. Anyway, like the camera I have now is 18, so yeah, it's a huge difference. And the paper I'm using is Pebbles, seen and noted from like 2012. I wanted all the colors. There's yellow predominantly in the photos, but then there's a few other colors. And I wanted lots of colors, so the striped paper worked out well for that. We were at the St. Louis Science Museum, I believe it's called. And this is the gateway arch, where you build the arch. And the boys and I, had tried to build an arch before, but we were just not tall enough to get it done. However, they got it done, and they did have taller people working on it. So yeah, it's it turned out pretty good. It being the kind of photo or photos that it was, I needed to show the progress of it. So yeah, I made them smaller anyway because of the quality of them. But yeah, I wanted to make sure I got all that in as they were building it because just showing it at the end is just not quite the same. It's a good thing I know who's in the photos, or I may not recognize them. Their faces are kind of blurry. I didn't have very good photos at all. No. Um, I'm using that die. It's just called a geometric die. And I cut it in half, and I'm going to put half behind one photo a little bit and a little bit behind the other one of the two bigger ones. And I wanted to show how they were getting the last two pieces in place where they wouldn't fall, and then their photo of it. And of course, the next part's always good because you tear it down. Well, just kind of give it a little kick or push, and it goes down. I cut this paper here, this one here, the stripes. It had a border branding strip, and it says "You are awesome" over and over again on it. And of course, I wanted to use that on my layout. And the dies that I'm using today, I did use my Tim Holtz picture wheel and also the Tim Holtz uh, gears. And the one I'm putting on right now, it is diamond press, and it's called uh, girlfriend girlfriend quotes or something. Anyway, most of them are not generic we can have for guy or gal, but this one was, and it's "You Totally Got This," so I used that as my title. And I did layer it on some yellow so that um, you could I could just repeat it up there. And I'm cutting the bigger gears apart so I can make them go a little bit farther. And I picked out the ones that I like the best. There's like 28 in there. And I picked the prettier ones. I like gears and I think they're pretty, especially on a layout. And I really didn't think I was going to have a layout for today. I just did not get time to do it. I had other things going on, going to the doctor, going to the dentist, and other running around and stuff that I had to do. And here it is, the middle of the night before, and I can't sleep. And it's probably because I'm thinking I don't have a video for in the morning, even though I thought I had resigned myself to not have one. But yeah, I'm gonna have one after all, I think. I thought if I do a super quick one, it'll be quick to edit, quick to upload. Well, I hope quick to upload. I never know. But it'll surely be up by the end of the day on Thursday. But I think it'll be up on time. And uh, yeah, gears are a great standby. I love gears anyway. And so there's something quick to go ahead and make a layout, especially for a punched out Thursday. Um, you see that little puffy sticker pad over there? It is jelly bean soup. And there is puffy gears even in there. So I put so many on the layout, it was to the point I thought, well, I might as well put them all on here because, I won't have any left then. And I might have had 3 left, which I may have used on the layout. But, I like lots of gears on a layout. So I figured I might as well just put them all on here. And they're all sorts of colors: teal, orange, dark blue, light blue. So it adds to the colors that I wanted to add to the layout anyway. And I'm just kind of laying them here and there. It's no particular, you know, place to put them, wherever I think it might look good. And I'm going to add the stars too, and I'm going to add all of them too on the layout. But I will have 2 orange pretty close together, and I won't notice it till I'm sitting here editing. So one of them will get moved, and then right there at the bottom where I just put that orange sticker on there that says "Seize the Day," I'm going to move those down a little bit where the yellow one overlaps the "You Are Awesome," and the "Seize the Day" will be right behind it. Well, sitting on the edge of the branding strip. You can't see it in the photos because I just did it. But yeah, I moved them down just a little bit. I didn't like the way they were. I kept thinking that it needed more. And I really didn't have anything more that I wanted to put on there. So yeah, I moved them down and I was a whole lot happier with it because then it got to overlap the branding strip and sit right on top of the picture wheel. But that's it. That's my layout. And sorry it was blurry. I got to figure out how to keep my. I'm pretty sure it's the lens and the weight, and it just because I have not touched it. I might end up doing the duct tape thing after all. But it's been hanging up there for a year now almost. And yeah, I think it's the weight of the lens pulling it down. But if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.